Hi, welcome to the Client Expert World. Today I will show you that how to remove the background from an actual image. Here I am using the Adobe Premiere Pro product. This video is sponsored by Adobe Express, and here I am using the free software tools or web tools where you can select the image and remove the background. You can see the time is removing background and our algorithm works correctly, and you can see the actual images after some time because this web tools is very highly frequent for to remove the background exactly, and it is using the mesh analysis. And now I have opened up that how to open these tools, and I am selecting another image that I will want to remove the background. And here also you can see the loading time is going on, and now our clear images has come out, and it will take some time to get rid of from the tools. I hope you will see this video with some patience because I will give you some information about the template and text analysis photos, that how to change the background, how to remove background, and exceptional everything I will show you in this video. So just a waiting time. Okay, thanks for your patience to watch this video, and now you can see the image has already come out from the algorithm, and now I will download it without using any template, and if you want to use the template you can use. So you can see here the how exactly the